This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Cardano today. Cardano, I noticed setting up here in this area at the S3 Camarilla pivot, and the S4 Camarilla pivot is down here. So this is an area of discount. So I would be looking to buy in this area and potentially take a trade long up here to the R3 level for an S3 to an R3 traverse. Let's go down to the weekly and do a top-down analysis, and then I'll walk you through the details up on the 15-minute. So here on the weekly chart, this is the current strong low. This is the current week high up here. And then we can see since this week high was formed, Cardano has been mostly selling off. Seems like there's a level here in this area that has held as support, but quite a large range that Cardano is trading in. So it looks like it could go just about anywhere, but mostly selling off here. And then on the 4-hour time frame, this is the current week high. This is the current strong low on Cardano. We can see Cardano tested this strong low here, and then found support, and then came back up and tested the week high here, and is now starting to sell back off from that area. And you can see the range here, basically, or you can see the range here, and Cardano covered the range today. Here on the 15-minute chart, as I mentioned, in this area of discount, will come in. So the yellow that you're seeing here, this is the this yellow line is the opening structural range for the London Open this morning. So this being the excuse me, this being the strong low, this being the week high up here. We can see shortly after the open, in this candle here, Cardano breaks out of the opening range here in a break of structure here. So I would look for an order block, which this is the order block right here. These three candles here form an order block once this candle here closes above all three of them. So this forms the order block here. So ideally for an entry, I would want to set an entry target for the open of this order block here after the open. And we can see in this candle right here, it pulls back and tests this order block here. This would have been a great place to enter, but I missed this entry signal here. I had yet to dial in my entry and was able to do that later today. But this would have been the ideal entry, opening, taking an entry at the price at the open of this candle when it pulled back here in this candle. Next, we can see the price action coming back up and consolidating right here above the S3 level here. We can see more consolidation here. We see, excuse me, we see the volume profile in this candle. We see the volume come in here, still basically consolidating here and trading in this range. Actually, this is in the wrong place. My entry is here. So we can see there's an order block right here. Let's double check this. Where's our high? 7992. I think this is 7998. The close, yes, the close here is 7998. So this here, these two candles here, this is the order block right here. So this candle is validated once this price goes above. Same thing with this, but then it closes here above. So we have a confirmed order block here. Since we're, as I mentioned, there was this order block here on the backside of the range here that I would enter at the open of this candle. For this, it being on the front side of the range here, after this is confirmed, or basically either once the price action goes above this candle or it closes above, I can take an entry. But let's just say it closes, I would take an entry here at this candle, at the open of this candle, and pull a stop behind this candle here. That would be my current entry, but this entry was actually taken here in this candle here. And as you can see, the price action goes up into here, this being the S3 level, and wound up getting the price action to make the traverse up here to the R3 level. These orange lines that you see here, this just tracks the current market structure in a trade, just in case there's, let's say, a market structure shift, and then I would exit the position if there was a market structure shift, which could signal a potential reversal here in the trade. I did attempt some entries before I dialed in my entry strategy. I believe I took an entry here, and then maybe 2 entries in and around here before I was able to settle in to the current trade idea, and then be able to designate my entries for future positions. So if we'll come over to my tickets, 2 trades today, one on Cardano, the other on Filecoin. So we can see here, this is a bit after the London Open here. Here's a buy, and then quickly after a sell here. So this is $6 here. Again, another buy here at 805. This is in conjunction with the US market opening. And then we get the sell here at 810 for $5. And then one more attempt here at 815. And then that one ends here at 848. And then a loss of about 450 or so. And then the final position here on Cardano here at 852, and closing here at 147 for a profit of $44. So $6, $5, that's 11. Let's call this $5. So let's say $16 loss, and then a $44 win here. So managing your risk and having a proper risk to reward ratio can pay off in the end, even if you have to make a few attempts in order to gain a proper position. But this is On Tilt Trading, and this is my trade today on Cardano. We'll see you next time.